This is exercise 14.3, question number 6. 100 surnames were randomly picked up from a local telephone directory, and the frequency distribution of the number of letters in the English alphabet in the surnames was obtained as follows. In the table, number of letters are given and number of surnames are given. There are 6 surnames in which 1 to 4 letters are there. There are 30 surnames in those 4 to 7 letters are there, and so on. Determine the median number of letters in the surnames, find the mean number of letters in the surnames, and also find the modal size of the surnames. In short, we need to find out median, mean, and mode. Let's do it. Look at the table here. First 2 columns as it is. Third column is CF. It means that the cumulative frequency. Now let us see how to write down the cumulative frequency. Now there are how many surnames in which less than 4 letters are there? So 6 surnames. Now there are how many surnames in them till 7 letters are there, or you can say less than 7 letters are there. So what I will do, I will just add these two numbers, which comes as 36, right? There are how many surnames in which less than 10 letters are there? Okay, I'm talking about less than 10. That means from 1 to 10 letters, correct? So I will just add all these 3 numbers, or what I will do, I will add this 36 plus 40. Okay, so my answer will come as 76. Next one, 76 plus 16, it comes as 92. 92 plus 4, 96. And here 100. Total number of surnames are 100, right? So my N, that means total number of surnames, comes as 100. I'll write down N by 2, which is 100 by 2, which comes as 50. Now 50th number surname comes in which class interval, that I need to find out. In this class interval, till 36 surnames are there. In this class interval, till 76 surnames are there. It means that 37th surname will be in this class interval, and same way 37, 38 till 50th. Even 50th surname will be in this class interval, and it will go till 76 surnames. Correct? It means that my 50th number surname comes in this class interval 7 to 10. So this class interval is called as the median class. So here I'll write down median class, which is equal to 7 to 10. So 7 is the lower limit. 7. I will find out the class size, that is upper limit minus the lower limit. So 10 minus 7 is 3. And the frequency of the median class is 40. So F, which is equal to 40. And cumulative frequency of the previous class of the median class. This is the previous class of the median class, and its cumulative frequency, right? So I'll write it down. So CF, which is equal to 36 here, 36. Let us write down the formula for median. So here, median, which is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. So L is what? 7. N by 2 is what? 50. Minus CF is 36. And F is 40. H is 30. We'll do the calculations now. 7 as it is. 50 plus 36 is 14 here. This is 40 and this is 3. Right? So 2 7s are 2 2s are, and this 0 is here. So here 7 plus 21 by 20. Let us do the division here. 21 by 20. 21s are 20. 1 is remaining. Decimal place. We got 0. Then this number still less than 20. So what we'll do here? We will divide it by 0. Right? This 0 is there. 0. Then once again we got 100. Right? So 25s are 100. So here 7 plus 1.05, and our answer comes as 8.05. This is the median of the given data. Correct? That means approximately there will be 8 letters in a surname. Let us find out the mean of the data. For the mean, I will use the step deviation method. For that, we need to find out the class mark first, right? So class mark, it means that upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. See here, this is the class interval. 4 is the upper limit, 1 is the lower limit. So 4 plus 1 is 5 divided by 2, it will come as 2.5. Same thing for the second class interval. 7 plus 4, 11 by 2, it is 5.5. Then 8.5, then 11.5, then 14.5, and then 17.5. Correct? Now out of this, I need to choose one assumed mean, somewhere middle of this exercise. Okay, you can take 8.5 or you can take 11.5. Any one value you can assume as a assumed mean, right? So I'm going to take as 8.5. So my A, which is equal to 8.5. Correct. Now look at this formula. For step deviation method, you need to remember this formula, UI. So this UI, which is equal to XI, is 2.5. A is what? 8.5 divided by H. H means 3, which is the class size. We have seen in the previous slide, right? So this one is minus 6 by 3. Our answer comes as minus 2. So here minus 2, right? Now 5.5 minus 8.5. It will come as minus 3 divided by 3. So our answer comes as minus 1. This one is minus 1. 8.5 minus 8.5, 0. 0 by anything will be 0. Now this one is 1, 2, 3. Right? Now logically the numbers will come like this. Or directly you can do the calculation over there. But don't spend too much time in the calculation. Use little common sense and write it down. Here FIUI. So 6 into minus 2, it is minus 12. 30 into minus 1, minus 30, then 0, then here 16, then here 8, and here 12. We need to do addition of the last column. Minus 12 plus 12 cancelled. Minus 30, and addition of these two numbers is 24. Minus 30 and plus 24, it comes as minus 6. Total number of surnames 100. We will write down the formula for mean. So here x bar, which is equal to A plus sigma Fi Ui divided by sigma Fi. Let me write down the sigma Fi into H. Here A, assumed mean is what? 8.5 plus sigma Fi Ui means this value minus 6 divided by 100. H is 3. See here 8.5 as it is minus 6 3s are 18 divided by 100. Now because of 100, we will give the decimal place at the numerator. So 0.18, right? We'll do the subtraction. 8.5 minus 0. Here 18. Sorry, 0.18. So here this is 0. 10 minus 8 is 2, 4 minus 1 is 3, and this 8 as it is. So 8.32 is the mean surname, right? That means here also approximately 8 letters are there in one surname, correct? Now the last one, we need to find out the mode. Let us see. First two columns as it is. We just have to find out what is the maximum frequency. So 40 is the maximum frequency. I will name it as 1. And this class interval is the modal class. So I'll write down modal class. Modal class is equal to 7 to 10. L7. H class size is 3. Right? Now F1 is 40. Now what is the frequency of the previous class interval of the modal class? So this one here, this is F0. And the succeeding class is F2. right? Now we'll write down the formula for mode. So here mode, which is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2 times F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Let's substitute the values here. L is 7 here plus F1 is 40 minus 30. Then here 2 times 40 minus 30 minus F2. F2 is 16 into H is 3. 7 as it is plus this is 10 divided by this one is 80 minus 46 into 3. So here 7 as it is plus 30 divided by 34. So here 15 and here 17. Correct? I divide it by 2. So it comes as 7 plus 15 by 17. We'll do the division here, this side. So here 15 divided by 17. So 0, we got 0 here. 17 8s are 136. So 4 and 1 here because of decimal place. 1 0 here. Once again 17 8s are 136. 4 is remaining. Now there 40. 17 2s are 34. No need to do the subtraction. We got the answer till 3 decimal places. So 0.882. Now see, last digit is 2, which is less than 5. So previous digit is not going to change. It will be as it is. If it is more than 5, we increase the previous digit, right? But here it is less than 5. So it is 7 plus 0.88. And the final answer is 7.88. Correct? So this is the mode of the data. Now I'll just write it down. Mode, which is equal to 7.88, then median, which is equal to 8.05, and mean, which is equal to 8.32. Just observe these values. Mode, this value is approximately 8. This is also approximately 8, and this is also approximately 8, right? It means that the surname, every surname we can say it is having nearly 8 letters, correct? A slight change is there in mean, median and mode, but approximately those values are coming near to each other. Okay, I hope all of you understood this sum. Thank you.